In this video we're going to look at how to create transit charts in IO Edition. First let's open our IO Edition. Now if you watched any of the videos, previous videos, or read your manual, you'll know that once you set your preferences for your local, for your current location, in this case Waterford, Connecticut, when you open a chart wheel with no one selected, you get the transits of the moment. If you open a by wheel, let's open a chart first. I clicked on Charlie Chaplin's name to highlight him. Now I'm going to go up and I'm going to open a by wheel under design. So I'm going to select just a standard by wheel. It automatically opens with the natal chart of the individual that I've selected in the center as the reference chart and the moment's transits. Now if I were doing a transit wheel for someone who's in a different region, in a different time zone especially, then I have created an all-purpose event card, a transit card. We'll create one together. So I'd go up to File, select New Chart. The window opens. Under Chart Type we select Event. Because I'm going to use this for all sorts of things, I'm just going to call it Transits. And you note I put it in the last name box. That's where it needs to be. The first name box can be empty. I'm going to tab into the date field. Just for convenience right now I'm going to put Now, and I'm going to put Local, so we're Waterford, Connecticut. Now with the card open I can save it, and it will save to my list as a transit chart. So I can go down into the T's. If I need it again, I can open it up. Let's close the card behind that. And say I want to change it to a different location. I enter Santa Cruz, California, and then I'm going to click the Atlas button, select Santa Cruz and insert it. I'm going to change this. I could relocate a chart, but in this case it's not appropriate, so I'm just going to change it. Now if you see my cursor, it's become a hand. I click down and hold, drag it over to Here and Now, let go, and there I have the chart of the moment for Santa Cruz, California. Now if I want to look at a particular date and time, just go into the date box, type in the date that I want to look at. I'm going back in time, as you can see. I could do the same with the time. I'm tabbing into the field. Always tab from field to field in the program because it helps you complete things. I can change the time if I want, so let's go 2:08 p.m. And once again, because I've changed something, I need to click the Atlas button to tell the program to do its job. Click the Atlas button, insert Santa Cruz again. There I have 2:08. Now you see, because I'm using this card and I'd used this card previously, that the adjustment was already made on the chart wheel. So if I wanted to change the time, for example, just highlight the hour, change the hour, automatically changes the chart. Now if you happen to own Sprite, you know that you can do a lot of things with Sprite automatically like this, but this is a great way to do it. And if I'm talking to anyone anywhere in the world, I can just enter their information, where they're at, the date and time we want to look at, and automatically drop it on this chart and it's ready to go. So it's that simple. Now you do know that you can do transit searches too in IO Edition. That's another video you want to look at. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy your software.